Hey YouTube. So, I'm still checking my hard drive. Anyway, I am making another video about Premiere Pro, and I'm going to show you how to fast forward in clips, or how to speed clips up per se. Alright, so if you've seen my previous video, I showed you how to cut a single video clip into multiple ones. As you can see, I've cut this one in two places. So let's just play it from the beginning real quick. Alright, so there's the clip. Now this little one in the middle, this is the one that I'm going to speed up. So press R on your keyboard to select the time remapping tool. Now make sure your clip is selected, and then drag the end to wherever you want it. So you can have it go as long or as short as you want. So let's just go there. And then click on your selection tool again and drag the other part of the clip so that it's connected. Now let's see it. Alright, you may not be able to tell how much that was sped up, but compared to this, it was sped up quite a bit. Now, this might be very useful if you watch my video about how to reinstall Windows XP. I used that quite a bit because there's a lot of just sitting and waiting. Maybe you want to do, say, a time lapse of like a really long video, so you could just record it. Maybe your camera doesn't have a function for time lapse, and so you could just click the record button, record all of it, and then go on your computer and just shorten it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you learned something you like, if you didn't dislike, comment and tell me what I can better. Thank you.